Hello everyone, and welcome to StudioTalk. My name's Cody, and in today's short video, I will be showing you how to efficiently clean your oil brushes, as well as how to store them after cleaning them. But, as always, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and hit that bell to get notified every time a new video comes out. So, I really hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Okay, the most important thing we have to do before cleaning our brushes is throw on a pair of rubber gloves. Now that we're all gloved up, let's start cleaning. Now, this is a fairly clean thing of terpenoid, and this is going to be our dirty terps. But I have a dirty brush, but instead of dumping it right in there, I want to clean the paint off first. Instead of pulling it, I'm squeezing it. I want to squeeze all the pigment out of the brush first. Because if we pull it, we're going to end up pulling the bristles out of the brush over time. So when I got most of the paint out of here, I can begin cleaning. Now, instead of going straight down, which you don't want to do, I'm going to go side to side, almost like painting the side of a barn. And then I'm going to kind of swoosh it around on the edges. Now that we got most of the paint off the brush, and as you can see, there's still a little bit of pigment on the brush. So that's our dirty terps. We're going to take a clean thing of terpenoid and swoosh it around in there. And this makes it pretty much 100% clean. Now sometimes I'll go back for a third rinse. And you just simply repeat the process a third time if you like. This is another dirty brush, and we could still use all the same terps as we did before. Now, we're about safe if you wash about 3 brushes. Once you've washed 3 brushes in all 3 of these containers, you probably want to change it out. So, this is an ivory flat, and they're a little easier to clean. Okay, now that we have cleaned our brushes, now we have to put them away, and you might be thinking, don't you just put it right back in the jar? Actually, that's probably not the best idea, because over time, like what happened to this poor guy, all the remaining pigment and paint and brush cleaner will all sink down to the base of the brush, and over time, that'll splay them apart. And that's what I did with this ivory dagger. Now, it used to look like this one. And over the course of about 3 months, this is what happened. So, what we're gonna do here is, we take a clean cloth and we lay down all the brushes we just cleaned on this cloth. Now, this will make it so all of that paint pigment and the brush cleaner will all drain down onto the cloth. Now, over the course of about 24 to 48 hours, you can put your brushes back in the jar. And this is because all that brush cleaner has drained out on the paper towel. So, you're good for the next painting the next day. Well folks, that about wraps up this little video. I really hope you enjoyed. Hopefully you got a little something out of it as well. Now, as always, you can find me on my website at codyoldham.com and on Instagram at CodyOldhamArtist. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.